Oh, here we go. We're on. Well, that was amazing. A big group coming in. Let's find out. I'm just waiting to get the results up, folks. That was a nice kit of birds that arrived quickly. Congratulations. Let's see who's won.
Congratulations to the winner. Hit the curtain. Hey, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
So, birds coming in again now. Congratulations. Got some more birds coming in. I'll read out the winners in a minute. So here we are, results are in. Congratulations to W. Rijkern. W. Rijkern. And they came in, so that's a Dutch pigeon. Dutch pigeons won the race. And literally a second behind. A big congratulations to Wentworth Lofts from the UK. Wentworth Lofts with Huber Henry came in second, just one behind, 1 second behind. So it's lovely to get a UK pigeon coming in the top 5. Second to Wentworth Lofts, just 1 second behind the winner. We've got more birds coming in now. I'm going to give you the full results in a second. Thank you to everybody watching. We hit 250 people watching, really appreciate that. So, to confirm, W. Rijkern with a Dutch pigeon coming in first. Wentworth Lofts, just 1 second behind with a velocity of 1351. Literally 1 second behind. Well done to you guys with Huber Henry. We got another Dutch pigeon in third with from Hock Renk. Another Dutch pigeon, fourth. Then we've got fifth. Oh, we've got more coming in now, guys. Another batch just come in there, folks. So let's carry on with the results while we're waiting for some more to come in. So Safet, who I interviewed earlier on, came fifth this year. He was first last year, he came fifth this year. Well done to him, that's amazing. I'll give you some of the top 10 results as well now, just waiting for them to load up. More birds coming in as well, guys. So, 84 birds back in so far, with a flying time of 5 hours 10 minutes to the winner. So, Dutch pigeon first, English pigeon second, Wentworth Lofts second, another Dutch pigeon with Hock Rygen third, fourth pigeon was another Dutch pigeon, Irish pigeon, Safet, who I interviewed earlier, who got first last time, has got fifth this. Andre Rombeck, sixth. The Three Musketeers, seventh from Ireland. Karl Hens and Timo Wagner, eighth from Germany. Europa Master Pigeons coming in ninth. Sadiak Vendelin coming in 10th. And then 11th we've got Northman B, Scottish pigeon. German pigeon 12. Costa and Costa 13. Teamberg from Netherlands 14. Team France 15. Bjorn Ove Hengelson 16th. More birds coming in now as well. So a great result for Holland today. And a second spot to Wentworth Lofts. Well done to you all. Some more birds coming in there, as you can see. More birds dropping now. 117 birds back in so far, guys. So a big presence of the Dutch contingent in the top 20. Dutch pigeon first, UK pigeon second, Dutch third, Dutch fourth, Irish pigeon fifth. So the winner of the race last year came fifth this year. German pigeon sixth. The Three Musketeers from Ireland come in seventh. German pigeon come in eighth. Europa Master pigeons come in ninth. More birds coming in now. More birds dropping all the time now. So what a great result. So flying time of 5 hours 10 minutes approximately. Yeah, congratulations from everybody here to the guys from Holland that won. Excellent. Yeah, fifth again for Safed Duran, who won it last year. That's some consistent birds right there, eh? Let's catch up with some, we've got more birds coming in, a few more birds coming in as well. Yeah, that was really great. Caught me out again, I was interviewing. Caught me out a little bit, but we got there. We got the birds flying in, which was good. The birds circled about twice before they came in, which was just enough time to get them trapping. So yeah, that was exciting. It's breathtaking. Seeing this live is breathtaking. It's really great. Yeah, good return so far. Nice batches coming in. Nice batches coming in indeed. More coming in now as well. Not sure if the winner's there yet, Chris. I'll find out. I'll find out, mate. Yeah, this is the final race. I'll find out for you, Ronnie. Dutch Love in 4th. I've got a name of Combinete Pap and Pap here, 4th. Combinete Pap and Pap, 4th. Couple more birds coming in as well. He's dropping quick, eager to get in. Straight dropping, more birds coming in now, look. Great race, just over 5 hours 10. People were saying between 5 and 5.5 hours. 5 hours 10 was the winning time. So there's currently 184 birds back, 1,513 still to come. 184 birds back. 252 miles was the flying distance. More birds coming in here, little cheer's gone up, somebody's got a bird back. Birds are trapping well, guys, really well. $190 birds back now. These birds have been flying their heart out, really. Some more coming in now. Congratulations to Garrett Hennessy, 36 in on Ireland. Mr. and Mrs. Snaith, 39th. We'll be happy with that. The Limerick Boys B, Peter and Donna Clearly, 43rd. Well done, I saw Peter earlier. Congratulations to Ken Darlington from Wales, 48th. Jack Emerson, 51st. Ken Darlington in it again at 60th. Lot of Dutch pigeons in the top 80, guys. Congratulations to Ian Hunter at 75th. Team Ettrick at 77th. Daniel Hash at 78th. Chris Turner at 80th. More birds coming in. Selby Flyers at 91st. Team Dylan Daniel Boyan, 94th. Sean Donnelly at 97th. Thank you to everybody watching, thank you to everybody that's sharing this, much appreciated. We hit just short of 250 people watching live, which was great because the timing was amazing when the birds were coming back in. So we've got 214 birds back in so far. $215 birds back in now. And again, slightly biased, I know, but congratulations to Wentworth Lofts, who came second. Great victory. Great position at second out of this race. And again, let's not forget that, you know, we've got just short of 1,700 birds competing in this race. There's a couple more I can see coming in here now. Yeah, just short of 1,700 birds in this race. So it's a great honour to get a bird in the top 100, really. To come second is absolutely amazing. Some more coming in now. This is what is great about One Loft Racing. Look at the crowd we've got behind us. We've got people watching from all over the world. Somebody's birds just come in there. And this is what's great about it. It brings people together from all corners of the world. Great weather, great atmosphere, lovely, really good. Some more birds just coming back in now. More birds in. $223 birds back in so far, with a few more coming in now. I'll be back in a few minutes, folks. I'm just going to see if any of the top 10 are around for interviews. We'll be back in a little while. I'll leave the camera as it is. I'll be back in 10 minutes.